I've been using CAPTIS as a workspace to author and review regulatory documents. There are many features that I find very useful. For instance, I like the fact that all the reference documents that I need, along with the literature search screening, adverse event search results, and automated reports are all located in one place, making it easy, and also the data becomes traceable. The customized template option saves a lot of time and makes the periodic updates easier and streamlined.
As a regulatory SME, I am constantly hearing from manufacturers about how the recent changes to regulatory requirements are complex and overwhelming. And especially for medical devices with the EU MDR, it has become tougher for manufacturers to keep their products on the market and comply with the regulatory requirements. There's just so much more to be done now in terms of documentation, and the availability and the bandwidth of the experts is a real challenge that our industry is facing right now. The medical writing teams and regulatory teams are made up of highly qualified individuals. To avoid their burnout and to better utilize their skills, I think it is very important to invest in technological solutions like CAPTIS that can provide them the necessary relief through automation and AI.
I've been using CAPTIS as an author for quite some time. CAPTIS has such a user-friendly interface that working on the platform is what I look forward to every day. The platform has features that have helped me as a trainee medical writer. One of such features is data dictionary, which helps with maintaining consistency in critical data and text throughout the document without an error in the grammar or in the content or in the formatting.
As a reviewer, my aim is to ensure that the regulatory documents that are submitted have correct and consistent information. CAPTIS allows me to place my feedback as comments across all modules on the workspace.
Another helpful feature is that I can collaborate with other authors and reviewers and work simultaneously, which is more productive. Literature review on CAPTIS is so much better than the manual process we used to follow. There are several databases that are directly linked to CAPTIS, and results from other databases can be uploaded also onto the platform.
At Celegence, we have implemented this AI-enabled tool, and we're seeing impactful results that were just not possible through the manual methods. CAPTIS has brought in efficiency, accuracy in our work. It has reduced the burden on our SMEs, and it has really minimized the non-conformances in our documentation.
Because CAPTIS is designed based on the inputs from medical writers, it has specific features addressing our pain point, such as automatic generation of abbreviations, PRISMA flowcharts, and automatic updation of table of content, which is a game changer in maintaining the consistency and quality. Another great feature of CAPTIS that makes it more captivating is the integration of AI to the literature module. Called CAPTIS Copilot, it automatically extracts relevant information from research articles, such as study type, study subjects, demographics, interventions used, and adverse events. And all of this summarized within seconds. This allows me to be more efficient and consistently meet deadlines.
From the literature search to the screening and appraisal performed on the platform and the documents that have been authored on CAPTIS, I can collaborate and communicate with the author and leave my feedback on the platform itself. The author can request for verification of actions performed, and I can provide my updates after my review. The features of data dictionary and automated reports that have been generated make the review process more effective and the content added more accurate. The content linking feature allows me to cross-verify the data that's been added from the source documents in just one click. Multiple reviewers can review a single document simultaneously, which brings efficiency to the process.
The archived search strings, results, and screening can be modified and augmented as required, which makes document maintenance for regulatory compliance streamlined and extremely efficient. I can also bring organization and efficiency to my workflow by tagging articles, highlighting keywords, and using the different kinds of filters available.
Using CAPTIS can also help with the regulatory audit process. It can serve as a single source of truth and facilitate systematic ways to collate and analyze data from multiple sources. It can ensure that the risk of non-conformances related to easily avoidable issues like gaps in literature search protocol, inconsistency in the document, lack of traceability of information, and broken hyperlinks, etc., are minimal, and the regulatory certification process is smooth and cost-effective.
The AI feature also helps in searching sources for necessary information that may be helpful with my authoring. This instant access to information is a confidence booster. It helps me with data analysis and molding the narrative that I may present in the document, enhancing the overall quality of the output.
CAPTIS also has an in-house citation manager which automatically cites and references the article within the document. This avoids additional effort and the need for a separate reference management tool. I can also just hover my cursor over the citation to check the article details, open the article on CAPTIS, or download a version to cross-verify the data added by the author. These nifty features save considerable amount of effort that I would otherwise have spent just on data verification, and allows me to focus my time on ensuring scientific depth of information that the regulatory bodies are looking for in these documents.
One of my favorite features of CAPTIS is that it enables configuring a style template so that once the final document is exported to Word, all the content, tables, figures, headers and footers are all automatically formatted and are consistent. Coming from a research background, I find it reassuring that I can rely on CAPTIS for the mechanical aspects of medical writing and instead focus my efforts on the analytical process.
CAPTIS is a step towards the future, and at Celegence, we are excited to be in the future.